Making the cut. 5 Jamaicans named among the 200 greatest singers of all time. Among them, Barrington Levy. The broader-than-Broadway singer calling his Rolling Stone magazine listing the best possible New Year's gift.
Rolling Stone magazine names its 200 greatest singers of all time. Feathers immediately ruffled by glaring omissions. Celine Dion, an obvious example for many. But Jamaica with 5 names, including Barrington Levy. The broader-than-Broadway singer surprised and happy to make the cut at 119.
I feel honored. I didn't even think that they would have mentioned me, knowing that I'm this little picky head Britain from Jamaica. And now they put me amongst some of these people that I come in the business and see, and to categorize me amongst them, it's a great honor.
She doesn't want me.
How did you hear about it?
Somebody texted me on my phone and said, "Bro, you made it." And I look at it, I was like, what? It was the best New Year's present I could ever get.
I mean, you're ahead of people like Karen Carpenter and too many others to name.
I wouldn't say ahead, I would say amongst them. First thing I said, thank you, Father God. You know what I mean? I'm coming from afar. And the amount of struggles that I've been through to maintain this career of mine. It's a lot of disencouragement. But you know what? God is not sleeping.
They actually said if a horn could sing, it would sound like Barrington Levy. Cutting, commanding, and a signal that the next tune is about to be massive.
Well, that is a top compliment. Thank you,
Rolling Stone.
Rolling Stone. Trust me, much appreciated, boss. I come in the business with my own style. So, you know, to see that they look at it like that, trust me, respect.
Barrington Levy's voice like a wake-up call. Rolling Stone's horn analogy right on the mark. A blast first heard in the 70s, but really resonant into the 80s. With songs like Under Me Sensi and Black Roses.
Black roses.
1983's classic Broader Than Broadway, a career high point. If you could sum up the Barrington Levy sound, what is it?
Let's go. Yes, I'm broader than Broadway. Tell you the truth, I don't know how I get that in the song. Because that's what this lady's talking about. You give me a baby and take away my freedom, and I need to have fun. So come and take your son. I don't know how Broadway reached in it, but it reached and it worked.
Bob Marley was the acknowledged king when Levy was dreaming of becoming a star. But it was to the Crown Prince that he paid allegiance.
When Dennis Brown sing as a youth, you know what I mean, he made me want to go to the studio now.
Here I come with love and
Dennis Brown is my boss.
show the goodness and mercy.
Not like Barrington Levy did go to music school, learn to play an instrument. All of what I do is just natural talent.
On the telephone, she heard my voice. Tell me to pick her up in my Rolls Royce.
I actually have to run away from home to go pursue this career. Picture, my mom take me from Kingston, bring me into Clarendon at 7 years old. When I reached 9, 10, I decided that I have a passion for music. And then in Clarendon, where there's no recording studio, I actually run away overnight. The amount of things I've been through to pursue this career, where I'm gonna stay with family that is gonna cook and eat and don't give me none. I have to sleep on the floor. You put me out, so I'm out now. And that's where I started out singing and Studio One rhythms and things like that. So I'll be moving from dance to dance. And that's where I was discovered in the dance.
What was the reaction when people heard that voice?
Where the dance keep, it will be surrounded by zinc. And you know what I mean, you start to sing and hear this defense them. Bang, 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 bang. The owner for the land, I said, Virgin, now mash up a fence, Virgin. Last time I remember Stemmy Ballad from Majestic Garden tell me so I have to come back and place again. Come sing. I mean, he never meet in a bad way, what does that say? Now I'm going to fix up back in fence.
But don't throw it all away. I don't want to be the one who's gonna.
I went to England 1980 because financially I wasn't getting nothing from the record. Record was selling, but I wasn't getting paid. I get some really good vibes in England. The majority of the big major hits was made in England, actually. I've been there until 1992 and I come back home.
And why did you come back home? Why not stay in the UK?
Because after a while, they started to treat you like a local act over there. You don't want to be treated like that. You know, so I come back home and I live in the country because I'm into farming as well and I love to plant things. And I love to see a lot of trees that surround me because I'm an earth sign person, so yes.
Barrington Levy has this reputation almost like a loner.
I would say yes. Where I live now is where I get peace and tranquility, and I keep it like that.
Don't get Levy going on certain subjects.
When I was coming as a teenager in the business, certain lyrics is not accepted. The boo sound like a shotgun. Boom! Now, I see people giving big applause for some negative lyrics, and I'm like, seriously? Oh, like I was wasting time writing good putting good composition together. Nowadays, the thing changed. And man, I said, well, I'm an old man and this and that, yeah? Pray to reach my age in the business. Ask God to keep you. It's a long road. A long, rocky road.
Stoop, dap, whoa. Oh.
Barrington Levy heavily sampled.
Ready or not, here we come, all the biting MCs and the parrots that go run. Here I come.
And approached for features by groups such as Stick Figure
It's the soul of the world.
and Gorillaz, and a shoe-in for movie soundtracks like The Harder They Fall.
I don't know.
His last album, 2015's Acoustical Levy, was nominated for a Reggae Grammy. What are you focused right now on?
I am focusing right now on my new album that I'm trying to put out for 2023, but I still want to make it the original reggae vibes that people love me for out there. Nowadays people are trying to move over to Afrobeats, and because people do come to me, have Afrobeat, you want, I said, listen, no. Why would I switch from my original dancehall music to Afrobeat when it's our reggae music? They try to copy the pattern and how they make their thing. So I'm keeping it real with my original reggae music.
Give me a line from one of the songs.
What is for you and hurt, no one can take it, cause the Jaja created. What is for you and hurt, no one can take it. Jaja created. Yes, sir.
Extra broad, extra broader than Broadway.